So let's talk about other personalization. I said at the beginning that there is this ability to register for an account, which would give you personalizations. So the first thing we're going to talk about is favorites, which are a simple but effective way for you to kind of create your own subset of products and reviews that most interest you. So by just simply clicking the favorites icon, which is a star here, it becomes a favorite. And then there's an area which is up in the black sub banner where you can go to see just your favorites. Another feature is the ability to highlight and take notes. So we were in the pediatrics area before, and there was a note for Kathy about the 10-year-old post-op patient. You can wand over, scroll over the content that you're interested in highlighting, and up pops a notepad. And on that notepad, you can make any kind of notes you want and submit it. And then, or you can change the color of the highlights if you decide you want to have different colors mean different things. This is a great way for you to add your own notes. And then later, they will always appear in the review itself when you go back to look at the review, or you can go into an area that's specifically just your notes and when you wrote them and some other aspects about them. Another feature is sharing. This is, a simple and often used feature. This would be particularly useful in a collaborative environment, which you're all in, where collectively you're trying to bring up these resources in a fast, efficient way. So being able to share the review with others hopefully will be a helpful feature. The ability to cite this is another feature. You click on the cite feature and the cite icon, and up comes the citation, and you can choose which format it's in this case, APA format. You can copy it and paste it into a document for documentation purposes, for academic purposes, or download it into a reference manager. Another feature is the ability to print. A lot of times on the web, you go somewhere, you say, this is great, I don't have time to read it all, I'm going to print it, and you do, and nothing comes out on the printed page because the page is not designed that way. In our case, when you click on that, up comes a page that's completely designed for printing, and you get a great print out of it. You can also make a PDF. And finally, in the main personalization is the ability to tag, which is a way for you to create your own organization scheme by creating your own tags and putting reviews in various tagged areas to keep track of them by subject area, by learner objectives, whatever your interests are. And finally, last but not least, is the feedback button, big juicy button there for you to click when this product launches to give OADN feedback, this team feedback about what your experience is. And this is a community activity. All of these are volunteers doing hard work, but we hope that you will actively provide feedback. So that kind of gives you a sense of what the product is. We didn't go over searching. That's, piece of cake, put in a word, boom, you're there. Our search capability takes you to actually not just the page, but the chunk in the page, so you can get to the place that you need very quickly.